Le o mātou whatasi ai, ma tawaitai a aureleye, to olua mele Samoa campus, Ruta, male tahine from Tonga. Or now, good morning now, and Ruta.
Good morning.
Good morning.
No lava.
Mai keinge. Okay, ono le tātou taimi a lela watu lewa noe te rosa uno aia walesa, a mata mai e tia na nafi tātou porkalame wha mo lea Ruta manau.
Sa ole. I ole savali ole ala fo ole toe savali vali mai fo nei tai au. Nan toe fia fa manatua. Toe fa popo atu fo I ole o tatala pea ia restalanga. Mo le vaituanga lona lua le nei fo I tausanga. Yo le tatala fa pe fa mutaina le vasa fo les fa raile le solusu fa. Yo le vasa fo les ngafua. E amatalia ia le vaituanga lona lua. Ai lo maua pele ava no te suatua I te le stala. E mwhai o le temine o lo una ia le stala lea online. Pa ngai fo I wa tato sila fia uma nei vai taimi le vave le technology la tau ia. Pa ele tu uai fo I nei mātou mwhanau e o atu le ofisa. Fa pe mana o e wha manual ia la to application e lea whaina. E tatala pela vanoa o niani fa fesili mo mea uma. Polo iei per matovaenga e fe sosoani ek.
Okay, malo whaftai. Talk to us for our English speakings now, whamulmole.
As Ruta mentioned, so this week is our orientation. It's on tomorrow. Today is the orientation for Savai'i, and this week is enrollment. Enrollment ends next week Friday, but lecture starts on Monday. So even if you miss out on the enrollment this week, you have next week for enrollment. The online, there are two portals for our new students and also our continuing students. They will use one. But we have a resumption of studies portal. That portal applies for students who have left USP for more than one semester. You can register online or enroll online. But you will have to use your ID number and then USP, the resumption of study, USP will give you new password. For your ID, and you can go in and register the courses that you want to. Perhaps you have a program you haven't finished, or one of those unfinished businesses. Maybe it's about time to finish now. We have a scholarship. USP offers scholarship for degree level and master's and postgrad students at 3 category. There's the 50%, the 75%, and the full scholarship tuition. This is mainly for low-income earners, earning families.
So you have to submit all your documents from the bank?
Mostly it's the payslip of your parents.
All right.
Yes. Or your payslip if you are working. So that will be the main proof, and some other documents as well that there are criteria that they need for you to fill up. And then USP will decide which category of the scholarship that you will fall under. So we also want to thank the Whanawhawais for coming through for your student this last semester. The results are out, and we have another semester to go this year. We also want to thank the government of Samoa, PSC. Also, most of our students are being paid by the Whanawhawais. Even though some of the Whanawhawai only pay half, 50%, 80%, but it's anything better than nothing.
Yes.
So we thank you for that. Seeing that education is important for the future of your district. So pawhetai tele for that. But we come back for the orientation that is on tomorrow. So the orientation for tomorrow for Samoa campus, we kick off at 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock, so the orientation for this year would be something small for semester 2, smaller because most of the students in semester 2 are continuing students.
All right.
They already know where to go. But we just want to remind, and also our new students, to introduce them to the staff, the services that USP offers. And also there will be a separate orientation for the academics at 11 o'clock.
All right.
And then after that, then lunch will be provided. Then after lunch, then there is a transition workshop. this workshop is, these are skills that you will need throughout the semester to do your study, whether it's research skill or time management skill. These skills, that's the transition work from 1 until 3 or at the end of the day.
Okay. Someone commented on our show, hey, lala, foa, malo au pito taine foi lole finau, o fahatu.
I'm too loud for this.
Your sister from another mother. Ruta, e alwa tasi ala orientation nei ma sava ia.
O le tahao nei o malanga tua inisi o mato officer. Mo le whatinoina le orientation mo salolonga a le Savai Center. A wata iao le whatinoina le orientation mo nei uporu I alafua. Le ngā fo I o nei orientation po whaafeilo inga fo I o nei whanau fo. Po nisi fo I fo le lau whale atu USP. E sosoani fo I. Ia ta ialai fo I la tau le ngasolonga o le o vaenga ta itasi tono le university. A mesi foi opo kalame e fia mala mai. Ia sosoani foi la tau mai la matanga o langa o le amatanga le awa onga se I ho o lona whaiwina. Le la whatino ina la ia le orientation mo ala fua tai au. A matala le iwa tai au pa mai le tasi le awa uli. E fi sosoani foi it's not a big event. O nai to tele o whanau o lo whaua wina mai le semester 1. Ia e whaatino ina pia o na mō nei whanau fo.
Mai se vai ngata ua e taun sira fia le atunu ui li tūlanga e pēna iei le anga I atu le semester nei whamolmole.
Ia sa o le wai e amata le whainga o le restalanga o lo whaatino ina le online e lua vaenga. O mō I mātou e whesosoani o nisi e fia whaawa wina o a onga. Ia mai nisi e fau. E o lo tala foi lava noa mo nei tata whainga luenga. E mau lava noa e ipo kalame ese. E mwhaianga le sala I to e whaawa wina I fo leo langa o aoina. Peo nau ta inga na ia whaawa wina ia o aonga. Mo nei whanau fo I le I whaumaina le vasenga sfutasi sfulua. E le se me pole ai o lo mwhai fo ina maula vanoa I le po kalame. E mwhai fo inga a matai. To e una ia fo ia le o langa o aoina ia. Ia ai o lo tatala pel mate officer. Pa pe se vaenga online e te le mala mai pe mana o mia fo sosoani. A wote no fo ai o lo o mau wala vanoa I sua tuai inga uta I mato te sosoani atoi fo.
Now, I want to say something about our student register from enroll from Savai. Whamura mōne.
Yes, Savai is part of Savai Center. We have a lot of students at Savai Center. Semesters, the numbers has grown. Last semester we had more than 50 students.
Wow!
And we are looking forward for that for this semester. Like I mentioned before, the Whanawhawai, it's a really great time to go back to school. It's a really great time to continuing on your study because this Whanawhawai has been very generous, especially of Savai. When it came to payment, the first Whanawhawai that made payments are the Savai ones.
Wow.
Yeah, compared to Upolu. And I take my hat off for Savai, for traveling on the boat, for taking time to come all the way. Your officers coming or even the whole team come and to pay off the fees for your students. And it reflects the priorities that you have on your list for your area in your district and
that's a good contribution for our district. So
yes, yes, and I think that's one of the. So in the past, when it was the 1 million only,
it's 2021.
Yes, so when it was 1 million only, we didn't really have a lot of our. We did have Whanawhawais, but this time a lot of the Whanawhawais are coming through for all districts, and they're saying and more students this way. Usually it was only 3 or 5, but this time more than 10. They're sponsoring or not not all of the students in the district. And so Savai, we do have students there, and we look forward to have more. And that takes us to, because of the platform, the changing platform, the way we study now, most of our courses are offered online. So that's why Savai Center is able to study from Savai'i. We just had somebody from Savai'i who graduated with is it a postgrad or Master of Education route?
Masters.
Yeah,
Wow.
Master of Education, right from Savai'i. See, and this, I encourage you, whether you are here in Upol or in Savai'i, most of our students are also law students because they can do the Bachelor of Law here. You don't need to travel whether to
Vanuatu,
yes, to Vanuatu or Fiji. You can do your study right from here, from the comfort of your families. And we moved to better technology as well, internet connection, because we are moving now to most of our courses are offered online.
Malo, whaftai. Mana e te rewa inga le ruta lena ta ua e nau. A me se o le sao le o fono whaavai. Ia il tutongi ino pili o whanau.
Ia, sa o lei, o mana ia le nei tau sanga, wana a mata mai veite mia sa a mata ana maua manoa ia e sponsor e fono whaavai ia whanau. Ia, o le nei fo i tau sanga, mai fo ile le kamfu fo il fono whaavai mo na ia inga fo i o mātua, ia mai se fo i nei whanau mo pili a onga.
Yeah.
Ale e whailoa te fo i a nei fono whaavai, mahalo lava le on sa. Ia o loa out ia resort o le vaituanga mua nei whanau ia. Awa e au ngā fo i le lato no fosila fia po
worth le tupe.
Sa au le. I ale vaenga la le a whape wai ke ua request ar tu se si se resort fo le whanau. E mana umia la le e fo le awala whai ai. I melisa o atua whanau ia i mātou. Pape o le mga umia la ko resort ia fono whaavai.
Yes.
Paule le vaenga mwhai ngonga release ia i resort ia. So e whaawa winai fo ia le
sponsor resi for semester
sa o le pa e fa ngoa lo fa wina time nei o le 5% le onisi o mta upu o pokalame lo fa wina time nei ya mata mai lava i le fatikeri post grad ma anga ia tulunga le masters ia fo le vaenga le o le mfainga totoni le 5% atu lava no nei matua Tony me lesi vaenga.
Tele, 5% tele na wha ma venga. Watu I mātua e contribute la tau ia I lesi 5%.
Sa ole.
Malo a whawtai. Anything else, Finau?
Well, my last message for our viewers is that if you're thinking of like I mentioned before, if you're thinking of finishing off that degree, please do come back. This is the right time. Right time to come back. So many scholarships, so many opportunities for you to do your study without any cost.
Alo, whaftai. Ia, whaftai tele ruto. Te loho tato whero I tai au.
Ia, sa ole.
Ia, manu ia tele nei aso.
Thank you so much. Manu ia for nei aso.
Ia, ua tau lunga tanoa ngā masui o le Samoa campus.